Welcome this video, the ultimate gas to create a stream outdoor gardening kitchen. An outdoor gardening kitchen is a perfect add to tiny home, often a beautiful space. The look, entrance, and enjoy natural whether you are and various took someone how love host family gathering and outdoor kitchen can enhance your living style. We explored everything you need to keep about design and set up an outdoor gardening kitchen for choose the right material to incorporating functional and aesthetic elements. Plants your outdoor gardening kitchen. Define your purpose. Before you bring design your outdoor kitchen, consider how you will use the space or you look for a simple setup for barbecue. Do you what's a fully membered kitchen with stream look and restaurant? Define your purpose will help you make informed design about outdoor application and material. Choose the right location. The location of your outdoor kitchen is charm for both choosy and functional idea if should be cloth to your indoor kitchen for easy access to supplement. Consider functional such as window, shade, and access to bring like water, gas, and electric, budget, and material. Your budget will determine the explode to your outdoor kitchen project. Consider use weather resisting material such as stream, stone, and collect to determine well help easy appear and finish at last. You can also add a stream look well cost effect solved. Functional of an outdoor gardening kitchen. Cook and settlement. The heart of any outdoor kitchen is its cook application. Popular choice pizza sauce. A wood-based pizza oven add a unique touch to outdoor dining. Grill, gas, grilling and versatile to different look, style, contentment and work surface. Dabbling, contentment and enhance fall mean popular material like grill, collect and combo are weather resisting and easy to clean. Your how appear connect space for choose metal and sub story and cabin outdoor kitchen cabin should be make for waterproof material such as green story storm wood incorporating story for youth space for cook essential to keep everything original. Lights and electric oils. Popular lights enhance both aesthetic and functional. Use a combination of task light, emerald light, and Part away allies. You have electric, outer, for a pair choice and decoration elements. Design for comfort and aesthetic. Set and dining area. Your outdoor kitchen should cabin and comfortable dining and set area. Dining table idea for farming moment. Bring set perfect day. Considering long set create and relax and unwind atmosphere. Shade and water protected. Your role usable incorporating elements such as bungalow and reference for shade. Consider add an outdoor heart of fire pick for warm and dry months. Gardening and outdoor enhance the beauty of your outdoor kitchen with pots, plants, versatile gardening controller. Use natural elements like stone